You know, there's no doubt that the appeal for gated communities in Jamaica has increased over the last couple of years. And you find that people tend to be a little bit more comfortable. I mean, it's not 100% in terms of secure, but it definitely does lift that that feeling of security. And so now I have a complex or a unit available for sale. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom property. It's coming on the market, and I'm going to give you a tour. Stick around for this. Alright, so if it's your first time here, my name is Ariel. I'm a real estate agent licensed in Jamaica, and I help my clients with buying and selling properties here. So, of course, if you're interested in content like that, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Hit that post notification bell so YouTube notifies you whenever I post a video. And feel free to ask any questions that you want to know about this property or others. I'll do my best to find out for you and let you know. So this specific property is in the gated community of Orchards in St. Catherine. Right, so quite a few units in this complex, and this specific unit is currently for sale. As I said, it is a 2-bedroom unit, 2-bed 1-bath, so it's one of the base units. It's 4,000 square feet. This is one of the, I guess, more open lots, so you can take a look at it. 4,000 square feet, so it does give you some ability to do some work, some upgrade. There are a few persons starting to build and go up. You know, of course, pending approvals. Please don't do anything without the approvals or the necessary approvals. We do not want anybody to suffer at the time of sale. And yes, every property has to sell at some point. You may have to. You may not want to sell it, but your family member, you pass it down to your sibling or a child or whatever it is, at some point it's going to be sold, and you don't want them to be burdened with that. Those issues at the time of sale. Many times properties need to sell, they have to sell fairly quickly, you know, to help with a medical expense, to help with getting somebody to school, going through the hurdles of not doing everything legally correct does lengthen that process, and we already have a lengthy process in Jamaica. For anybody who knows or you can estimate, drop it in the comments and tell me how long a sale takes in Jamaica. I think people are going to be surprised at some of these answers. So drop it in the comments, and I'll comment what I know or on averages. So yeah, we're gonna check it out. Again, it's a pretty nice unit. This owner has done some, you know, minor things to it. It's just to make it comfortable for them at the time, which was very big on landscaping. So the landscaping is pretty good. Just moderate. So yeah, let's go check it out. All right, thanks for checking it out. Hey, check out these videos. I actually chose them just for you. And again, if you want anything in Jamaican real estate, if you're looking to buy or sell, reach out to me. All right, you can get me at 876-553-4246. All right, I'll leave my details in the description. I'll catch you in the next video.